It's time to start dinner and wind down. I have leftovers, which is so nice, so I will not have to be doing any cooking tonight, just really using what I already have and grabbing just random items that I have in my fridge. So I am a not so organized human, but I thrive in organization. So a New Year's goal for me was to really clean up after myself and get as organized as possible. So I set a little timer for 20 minutes and I just clean up my space. It makes such the difference in the morning when I wake up and my space is so clean. I literally was in the shower washing my face, and then I realized I wanted to share my full skincare routine, so I stopped mid-wash to do it out of the shower. So first I take off my makeup with the Garnier. I'm just gonna put everything below. But I wore mascara today, so when I wear mascara, I like to use this to really get off my makeup because I feel like the wash just does not do it. Also, I have been, which you guys will see part of my skincare routine, I have been using Grande Lash, and I naturally have really long eyelashes. Like, it's just runs in my family. My sisters are even crazier than mine, but I kind of wanted them to be even more extra. And you guys, I have been getting I'm not playing with you, the craziest amount of compliments on my eyelashes, that they look fuller, that they've grown a lot. So I'm pretty pumped about it. So I'm gonna share it because obviously it's working. You know how you can't really tell on your own face? It's always like other people that kind of help you realize it. Okay, so I just used that. And then now I'm gonna wash my face with the Gentle Clean Cleanser from Clarke. I'm gonna get my face wet. So when I was dealing with my skin, something I did learn was you should be washing your face with your cleanser for 1 minute. And I feel like I would do like 10 seconds before. So I try to do a minute, and sometimes I will like say some affirmations. I probably need more water, but I will just say things to myself, or I'll just like take deep breaths so that I'm like kind of out of my head. Okay, I did it in the sink because it was too hard, but I also turned on my lighting for you guys because that yellow light ain't cute with trying to show my skin. But then I go in with this witch hazel topical toner that my dermatologist gave me. So it's like a witch hazel toner, which is like an OG, very like, you can get it from CVS, but she put like a little bit of something stronger in it mixed with it. I wanted to just thank you guys for sending in like your story, which can be very, very vulnerable with your skin. If you guys saw in the last video, I said I was doing a giveaway with AviClear, which was a huge reason my skin is clear now, and I wanted to pay for a session for anyone else who is struggling with skin because it changed my life so much. Like, I truly can't say enough about it. So I just want to say thank you for opening up and sending through your story, your journey. I'm actually waiting right now because I obviously want to pay for a session, but I would love like the entire thing to be taken care of, because you have to do 3 sessions. And again, it is a little bit pricey. So I actually reached out to AviClear and started talking with them, and we're gonna see what we can do for the winner to hopefully just do the all the sessions for you guys. So just know that I'm seeing your messages and I'm sending so much love back, and I will pick a winner very, very soon once I get all the details settled. So I vary through my nights. I do retinol some nights. This is the Renewal Evening Only Perfect Skin by Christy Kidd. Again, this is my dermatologist, so that is her. But tonight I'm not going to do retinol, especially because I'm going on a really long walk with the community tomorrow. We're having a community walk, which I am so excited about. This is the Clarity Serum. It's like a vitamin C with turmeric from Clearstem, and I wear this at night on the other nights that I'm not doing retinol. But I'm going tomorrow. I invited all of any LA girlies that follow me or follow Form to come and just do a community walk and meet other amazing women, because I did this in Australia, as you guys, I think I told you about in the last video, and it was amazing seeing all of these women connect. And I know so well how it feels to try and find friends and connect with people that are kind of on this journey with you, because it's a lot easier when you have people that kind of are really excited to focus on themselves and want to build routines and want to be their best version, and to do it with other people, I think makes it a lot easier. Next, I'm going in with the collagen serum, also from Clearstem. Just do 2 pumps. And so yeah, tomorrow we're doing that. We're walking Venice, and it's just gonna be a really great time. Again, I always get so nervous that like no one shows up, but at the end of the day, my team's coming, JT's coming, River's coming, his sister, so there will be peeps there. But I know that whoever does come, it's gonna make a huge difference. And also we're gonna start, or we did already start doing these like community groups over WhatsApp. So if you have been looking for a community and want to join these groups, I have them in a highlight on my Instagram, and you can join these groups and just start talking to girls in your cities or close to your city. And you guys, it is so cool seeing how many women connect, because if you join the group, you're pretty like open to meeting new people and wanting this to happen, right? It's not like people joining the group that are like too cool for school. It's like they're joining the group by choice. So it's like very much a place where women want to connect, which I think is awesome. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the Hydra Berry Moisture Mask. Again, I love this while it is so dry here in LA. So I put like a nice clunk of it. I'm gonna go down my neck, and it's like very thick, but it is everything. So anyway, that'll be tomorrow. I'll leave the community groups below, or you can check it out on the highlight to hear more about it. But very excited and nervous. This week I just got back, like it's like my full week from Australia, and like it has been such an amazing week. It's been busy as heck, but I feel like myself has just felt so ready for it. And the reason I've created this nighttime routine video is because I think I'm just so setting myself up to have an incredible day. And last year I did not have a nighttime routine. I only had more of a morning routine, and the nighttime routine is just, I don't even know, I might love it more than my morning routine. It's like setting me up to have the best day ever. Okay, so I'm very moisturized. We're feeling thick in the best way. So then I'm gonna brush my teeth first. Then I'm gonna put this on. Lastly, I forgot to show you my eye cream. I usually use this in the morning, but I ran out of my night one, so this is just the brightening eye gel. I just cannot, from Clearstem, but I cannot go to bed without an eye gel on, so I need to buy some more eye cream. Honestly, if you have an eye cream that you love for nighttime, like a night repair, please comment below because I love this one for morning, but I need one for night. Okay, so here are my lineups for skincare for nighttime. So this is like when I really want to use a body butter. I love the Osea. I use this pretty much every night. This is when my skin is extra dry. I'll use Necessaire. This is like a serum that you put with your lotion and it helps with dryness. Again, LA, dry. This is the lotion that has like tanner in it. It's the best one I have ever found. Truly another thing I get complimented on so much. So sometimes when I have something the next day, I'll put this on the night before. So this is the lash serum. This is my final step. I usually do this in a mirror, but here we go. I just guide it along my eye line. Now that I'm feeling fresh and so good, I'm gonna create a vibe while I set myself up for the next day. This is a step that might be my new favorite step of my nighttime routine because of the effect it has had on my mental health for the next morning. My to-do list is not heavy on my mind when I wake up because I'm taking these steps the night before to look through my calendar and completely understand what I have for the next day. So this step is a game changer. So two things that I do every single night is I sleep with a silk pillowcase, super great for your hair as well as your skin. And then I also learned this from my physical therapist, was we actually like sleep so bad on our necks and just again can enhance back pain. So I got one of these off of Amazon and it allows your neck to like kind of sit more straight rather than like really sink in. And this has been a game changer for me. So I just stick this in my pillow. GT has one too, but he just like literally wraps it around his neck. But I just stick mine in my pillow and then zip it up and I sleep with it like this. I'm reading a book called Manifest: 7 Steps to Living Your Best Life. I'm really loving it. I try to read about 15 to 20 minutes in bed. It helps me wind down, but also just gives me good feels for the next day. Something from the book that I read tonight was, sometimes when things are falling apart, they are really falling into place.
Calm down and relax yourself. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.